Hey everybody, I'm Dr. BJ Hardick. It's that time of year again. I'm excited to invite you to next Tuesday night's Max T3 Surge Training Experience. You know, Max T3 is the fitness program developed by Maximize Living and specifically by the fitness guru, Dr. Fred Roberto, who's a good friend and a colleague of mine. You know, Dr. Roberto, when he developed the program, he wanted to develop a 12-minute workout that would get you in the shape of your life. And he's actually utilized this not only with his own patients, as I have used with my patients, but Dr. Roberto actually served as the personal chiropractor for Jordan Burroughs, the gold medalist from Team USA's wrestling team in 2012. So this has been used by Olympic athletes, chiropractic patients, and people all over the world to get great results. You know, I'm excited about the results, and I'm also so excited about our team that comes out to the Max T3 Surge Training Experience as well, because this is where you're gonna learn what you can do at home, how to make it easy, if you have a health problem, how you can actually work around your health problem and still get in great shape, engage in the exercises, and most importantly, ensure that it's something fun that you can do long-term to stay in great shape. So make sure you check out all the details on drhardick.com. Can't wait to see you next Tuesday night.